When most people think about the Dominican Republic, they think about Punta Cana or La Romana, home of the all-inclusive resorts, bubbly piña coladas, and a hotspot for big cruise ships. I'm sure those places do have beautiful beaches and a relaxing life, but I wanted something with a little more meaning, and I found my slice of paradise right here in a place called Samaná. Samaná is a narrow peninsula off the northeastern coast of the Dominican Republic. It's a place where few tourists can be seen, but there's a wealth of secluded shores, inviting locals, treehouse villages, and epic humpback whale watching, especially right now as it's the mating season. And even if we've been rained out most of the time, I've simply fallen in love with this place. Honestly, I see more similarities with the Philippines than any other place. I mean, look at all of these coconut trees, turquoise water, white sanded beaches. It is just an incredible place, and I'm seriously stunned that this is the Dominican Republic. Samaná has about 110,000 residents and 6 million palm trees. 6 million palm trees. That's about 54 palm trees for every one person. The town of Samaná itself is just about as lovely as any town can get, centered around the giant church that overlooks the sea. In this area, you can find tasty cafes that line the boardwalk, where kids are playing baseball in the sand right in front of you. I'm walking here on the boardwalk right by the sea, and it is just a beautiful day outside. The sun has finally come out. It's been raining lately, and there's nothing not to like about this place. It's so chill, so tranquilo, especially after spending a few days in Santo Domingo. It is just paradise to be out here in nature. There are many beaches that we visited in Samaná, but my favorite was called Playa Rincón on the northern shore. We basically had the entire beach to ourselves, and it was absolute perfection. The bottom line is that Samaná is the opposite of package tourism, and this is the side of the DR that I wanted all of you guys to see. If you're looking for adventure, rich culture, and tranquility, then look no further than Samaná. I'm out. I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.